Today's how-to video is going to be on removing your front door on your Hyundai Elantra. Pretty simple. I'm going to open this up and show you a few things. So Toady, quit unbolting for one moment. Anyway, when you open this up, we need to remove this guy right here. You can go ahead and do that, and then you have a little clip on this. You can just match this clip. I think it's down.
Up.
Is it up? Up, and this pull out. Sometimes it's easier to go ahead and get the door loose before you do this clip. Now you can take it loose from here, which is I think 10 millimeters.
Yeah.
Right here on these two inner doors, or you can take it loose.
Those are 13s.
On the outside, which Tony says is 13s. We come around here on the outside, and as you can see, those two bolts here and here. It's easier to get to these two bolts right here if you have the fender off. We done got the fender off this car. We done got the two bottom bolts loose. Now we on the last top bolt. And we got the door closed. That helps holding it if you ain't got a helper. And Tony will display what you need to do next, which will be taking the door off and unplugging this clip.
With the door shut, with the fender wire, you can go in and reach in there and flip it up, and it'll pop right out. Watch it be stubborn on me. Yeah. Got dirt down in behind it. See? Sometimes if it ain't got dirt and grit and grime in behind it, it's a lot easier. And all you gotta do is pop her off.
Now you don't have to have your fender removed to do this. You can actually do it from the inside bolts right here and here, and then do it. But I recommend a helper for this. So guys, if you enjoyed this how-to video on this Elantra, drop me a like, leave me and Tony a comment. We enjoy hearing from you. Also hit that subscribe button, show your support for the channel. Appreciate it if you do. See you on the next video.